Some breaking news that's coming in. Rahul Gandhi has reached Surat Court, and of course, shortly the court will deliver the verdict. Remember, this is in connection to the Modi surname defamation case, and Rahul Gandhi has reached the Surat Court. Court is going to deliver the verdict any time now. Remember, this is in connection to the Modi surname defamation case. Remember, the Congress MP denied all charges. Going straight across to my colleague Radhika, who is joining us on the broadcast. For more on this, Radhika, we are learning that Rahul Gandhi has reached Surat Court.
That's right, Rahul Gandhi has reached the court. In fact, this happened just about 5 minutes back. The order will be out in terms of the defamation case that was filed against him. This is a judicial magistrate court that will be delivering its verdict in a few minutes. And there's high drama taking place outside the district and sessions court. I'm just going to go across to a few Congress workers here who've gathered here as a show of strength. Let me go across to them. आपने कहा कि ये सिर्फ defamation case की बात नहीं है. This is of the larger fight. This is to do with the larger fight to save the democracy. आप इधर किस लिए आए हैं?
जिस तरह से कांग्रेस पार्टी ने देश में डेमोक्रेसी स्थापित की है, उस डेमोक्रेसी को खत्म करने का जो काम चल रहा है अभी, आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री जिस तरह से ओपोजिशन को दबाने का काम कर रहे हैं, हमारे लोकप्रिय राहुल गांधी को बार बार परेशान किया जा रहा है। इसके बारे में हम सब कांग्रेस के लोग इकट्ठा होकर के इसका विरोध करेंगे, डट के मुकाबला करेंगे। ऐसे कुछ भी हो जाएगा, हमारा नेता कभी झुकने वाला नहीं है, कभी माफी मांगने वाला नहीं है। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी लोग कैसे कौन है जो हमसे माफी मंगवाएंगे? माफी तो हम लोगों को मांगनी चाहिए, जिन्होंने देश की आजादी के लिए जिस तब माफी लगाई थी। तो आज तो हमने देश के लिए अपना सब कुछ न्यौछावर किया है कांग्रेस पार्टी के वंशज है, तो आज हम सब जो कहना चाहते हैं।
So that's the kind of messaging from the leaders here, from the Congress workers here, saying that this is not just about the defamation case. They are ready to take in whatever the verdict is going to be. However, the fight will be continuing to save the democracy.
Absolutely. Radhika, if you could also please give us a little bit of more context on the case. All right, we seem to have lost that line with my colleague Radhika, but as she was pointing out, high drama outside Surat Court. Rahul Gandhi reached the court, Surat Court, just about 5 minutes ago. Congress workers have gathered in huge numbers as a show of strength outside the Surat Court, where the verdict will be pronounced any time now. Remember, this is in connection to the 2019 Modi surname defamation case. Rahul Gandhi had in fact denied all charges, and in fact high drama there outside Surat Court, where Rahul Gandhi is presently in, and in fact the order is going to be pronounced by the court anytime now. Remember, this is over Rahul Gandhi's alleged Modi surname remark. Remember, the case was filed against Rahul Gandhi for his alleged remark, which, and I will quote, it is, "How come all thieves?"
It's about the larger attempt to save the democracy. Let me go
देखो कौन आज राहुल गांधी को बार-बार ये लोग इधर पुलिस वाले बुलाते हैं, इधर कोर्ट में इसको चोर लोग को क्या समझ में आता है? सही आदमी को ये लोग नहीं चुनते हैं, चोर लोग को खाली खड़ा करते हैं इधर ये लोग। राहुल गांधी संघर्ष करो।
राहुल गांधी जी हमेशा सच के साथ थे, सच के साथ ही है। उन्होंने कभी झूठ नहीं बोला, वो हमेशा सच ही बोलते हैं। वो एक सच्चे नेता है, वो एक देश के सच्चे नेता है।
खरेखर भाजपा बहुत तानाशाही कर रहा है, उसकी भाजपा की रणनीति है। हम लड़ेंगे, हम जोर से लड़ेंगे, हम ताकत से लड़ेंगे, जीतेंगे। साथ है।
All right, so that's the kind of voices that we are getting from outside the district and sessions court. And the latest, of course, is that Rahul Gandhi has been convicted. We're just hearing that Rahul Gandhi has been convicted in the defamation case. राहुल गांधी को कन्विक्ट किया है, राहुल गांधी को कन्विक्ट किया है, उनको दोषी ठहराया है। उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
देखो, हमें कोर्ट पे पूरा विश्वास है, लेकिन हम हारेंगे नहीं। हमारी जो आवाज है, देश की आवाज है, और राहुल जी ही बुलंद करेंगे, और देश में कांग्रेस का राज आएगा, देश को न्याय मिलेगा। धन्यवाद।
जिंदा नहीं चलेगी। राहुल गांधी जी हमारे राष्ट्रीय नेता है। उन्हें कोटाल को कोई हैरान परेशान करे, ये ज्यादा दिन तक नहीं चलेगा। भाजपा की तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। राहुल जी तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे
राहुल गांधी तुम आगे बढ़ो।
पुलिस से आगे करती है, पुलिस हमसे डरती है।
All right, so there is high drama right outside. There is a सर गिर जाएंगे, गिर जाएंगे।
All right, there high drama outside Surat court. As you can see, Congress workers gathered in huge numbers as a show of strength. Congress workers saying it is a larger fight to save democracy. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is in court and the case is relating to the Modi surname defamation case. And remember, the Congress MP has denied all charges. Rahul Gandhi there in the Surat court, and a huge number of Congress workers gathered outside the court as a show of strength. Congress workers saying that it is a larger fight to save democracy. Remember, BJP MLA and former Gujarat Minister Purnesh Modi had filed a complaint. The case was filed against Rahul Gandhi for his alleged how come all thieves have Modi as the common surname remark. And this is the latest that we are getting to you at this point in time. Rahul Gandhi, in fact, inside court, and Congress workers have gathered outside court as a show of strength. All right, Malvika Avinash of the BJP is with us on the broadcast. What are your views? What we are picking up at this point in time is that Rahul Gandhi has been convicted.
If you could just give me the details, I'm not in front of a television.
All right, we are picking up that Rahul Gandhi has been convicted in the Modi surname defamation case. Your first reaction?
You see, the court in its wisdom has acted, and Rahul Gandhi, who thinks he can speak without any kind of responsibility, is now facing the law. This is not restricted to this one case. He has been speaking about the nation elsewhere on foreign soil, and he thinks he can get away with this kind of irresponsible commentary. And therefore, I think the court has only acted in its wisdom to ensure that freedom of speech, yes, but freedom of speech is not a free-for-all. It comes with preconditions.
Right.
You may be a politician, but you have to be responsible when you speak. You cannot throw comments that you cannot take back.
Right. Congress workers who have gathered outside say it is a larger fight to save democracy. What do you have to say about that?
If they don't believe in the courts of India, then God save them. Their complaint is that democracy is in trouble because of our government. Now, if they don't believe the courts of India also, then God save them. Who are they going to believe?
All right. Thanks very much for joining us here on the broadcast. All right. We also have Anila Singh from the BJP who is with us on the broadcast. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us here on Mirror Now. Ma'am, what is your first reaction? What we are learning is that Surat court has convicted Rahul Gandhi in the Modi surname defamation case.
So I'm really waiting a comment from the Congress party when they will say that even courts are under Modi. I will give this sort of comments because for all agencies, for all verticals, for all of our democracy, they keep on to get everyone, every agency,
All right, and in fact, we seem to have lost that line with Anila Singh, of course. But the big breaking news that is coming in at this point in time is that Surat Court has convicted Rahul Gandhi for defamation. Is the big breaking news that we are getting to at this point in time. Remember, this is over the Modi surname defamation case, and we can see those live visuals that we are displaying across your television screen. Those Congress workers gathered outside the court, in fact, protesting in huge numbers.
Watching out for. But when we spoke to Rahul Gandhi's lawyer, what he said was, if a conviction happens in this case, which is defamation under section 499 and 500 of IPC, there can be two probabilities. One is a simple imprisonment of 2 years, or a fine for a certain amount, or both. It can be imprisonment or fine or both. So we'll have to wait and see whether he will be sent behind bars or will he be left off with just fine. So that is something that remains to be seen. Perhaps the sentencing may happen today or another day. We are waiting for that. We will give you an update as and when that happens. But the latest update is that he has been found guilty in the defamation case.
Found guilty in the defamation case, and of course whether he will be fined or he will be sentenced to jail, he will be imprisoned, is something we will have to wait and watch. Going straight across to my colleague Samya, who is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Samya, what is the latest we are picking up? Of course, the big breaking news is that Rahul Gandhi has been convicted.
Well, absolutely. This is a significant judgment that the Surat court has come up with as far as a defamation case filed against Rahul Gandhi is concerned, for which they have upheld and convicted Rahul Gandhi for defaming Prime Minister's surname while he was campaigning for the 2019 elections in Karnataka. And Rahul Gandhi had earlier also put across a statement trying to clarify that in the heat of the moment, while the election campaigns are on, political party leaders end up saying a lot of things that they do not really mean. But the Surat court has not held that true. They have decided there is no merit in Rahul Gandhi's clarification, and they have decided to convict him. But the Congress party, by and large, even though they haven't come up with any official reaction as yet, they by and large maintain that this is only a lower court that has convicted Rahul Gandhi. They are always going to have a chance to go and appeal in the higher court and have this defamation case quashed against him. But as of now, this is definitely a major letdown for the Congress party, as Rahul Gandhi stands convicted for the defamation case, the defamation suit that was filed against him in a Surat court, for which Rahul Gandhi was made to appear time and again whenever his case would come up in Surat court. He is right now also in Surat as we speak, and he stands convicted. We will have to wait and see what is going to be the official reaction of the Congress party. And this is definitely going to be a huge shot in the arm for the BJP, which has been time and again demanding that Rahul Gandhi must apologize as the budget session is still underway with the statement that he has made on foreign soil in regards to the country and several institutions of the country. So whether at all there is going to be a climb down on Congress's standpoint when it comes to their strategy vis-a-vis the budget session, that remains to be seen. But as of now, the Congress party will be strategizing once again to try and figure out what is going to be their standpoint when it comes to Rahul Gandhi's conviction in the defamation case. We will be getting you all those updates.